Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss what is meant by Unix operating system. Unix operating system is often referred as Unix OS. It is one of the most powerful and influential family of operating system in the world of computing. Unix is initially developed in the year of 1969 by a group of employees. Those are Ken Thompson, Ritchie and Joe Ossanna at Bell Laboratories. Let us see some basic features of Unix operating system. The first one is modularity. Unix is basically built upon a modular design where small and specialized utilities perform individual tasks. These utilities can be combined to perform more complex operations to make the Unix operating system more efficient. And next point is multi-user and multitasking. Unix was among the first operating system to support the multi-user and multitasking system, where here the same users can actually sharing the same mission to perform the process simultaneously without interfering each other. And next point is hierarchical file system. Unix is here organizing every files and directories in a hierarchical tree-like structure in order to locate and manage the files easily. And next point is everything is file philosophy. This is also same. Unix it is treated everything is treated as a file, whether it is a document or a device or a directory is treated as files in Unix. And next one is command line interface. Unix is famous for its command line interface, where we actually provide our inputs in the commands to execute the commands in the operating system. And next one is Unix architecture. In the Unix architecture, the first one is user. We actually provide inputs or commands to the operating system, and in the operating system there are mainly two components. First one is shell and next one is kernel, and the last one is hardware. The users actually provides commands to the shell verifies those commands whether those are correct or not. Once those commands are correct in syntactically, those commands will be sent to the kernel. Kernel will execute the commands in the hardware to perform operations on the files directories in the Unix operating system. The main key components here are the shell and kernel. Kernel is the innermost layer of this Unix operating system, and shell is the topmost layer of the operating system. We actually provide commands to the shell. Shell will verify those commands whether those are correct or not. Once those are verified and correct, those commands will be transferred to the kernel. The kernel is received the commands which are the kernel will receive the commands from the shell. Those commands will be executed by the kernel on the hardware of this operating system. In the next video, we'll see some basic commands of Unix operating system in the Ubuntu machine. Thank you.